So, the second part of our module this week is going to be looking into the genre of nonfiction and the idea of incorporating that into any subject that you are teaching. Nonfiction requires a different type of comprehension, a different way of looking at literacy and reading, and it's everywhere in our world. So, I think back to when I was taught to read and what we read in school, a lot of it was actually fictional. And now there's a big push in schools to be able to incorporate nonfiction as well, and it makes sense. So I really want you to leave this course with that idea in mind, and I really want you to kind of start thinking about how you can incorporate that into your subject area. And so the first part of this folder, I wanted you just to take a little bit of time and view a video of my sweet daughter Everly reading Brown Bear, Brown Bear. So this was about 4 years ago, maybe even five. She probably would have been three. And she was reading a book and related to the development of literacy. You'll notice that it's very repetitive. And because of that, she was able to read it pretty independently and feel proud of it. But then, just a couple days ago, I was sitting at the table doing homework with her. She is now in third grade, and one of her pieces of homework in science was to research two different animals that were of interest to her. And then write a piece on them and decide in the end if they were to battle with one another, who would win. Because a lot of nonfiction books in their classroom that they're looking at right now are related to, I think they're called the Who Would Win series, and it basically tells facts about two different animals, and then in the end talks about if they were to battle, who would win. So she picked a lion and a hyena, and so her job was to then research on the internet and check out books and get facts about both those animals, and then she'll use that research to write a piece. And so I thought, wow, that really relates to our course, but also relates to the book that you will view her reading called Brown Bear. So both of them relate to literacy, both of them relate to animals, and in the end, it kind of shows the development and how far she's come in being able to now research animals and use it in her work that she's doing in third grade. So pretty cool. So please view those and think about that. Even if it's not at your grade level, it's pretty neat to see and think about how that's incorporated into the classroom. And then there is a PDF I'd like you to view related to the importance of including nonfiction in schools and in learning, and then another PDF that kind of just goes over some terms related to the genre of nonfiction. So I hope you enjoy this topic as well. And then the last video is going to take the idea of class discussions related to a text and nonfiction and put them together. So I hope you enjoy your assignment this week.